Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a fudge recipe. This is a recipe that I had wanted to bring you back at Christmas time and just wasn't able to fit it in the calendar. But I thought for Valentine's Day, it might be perfect for you and anybody you want to have a sweet treat with. This is a 5-minute fudge. It's so fast to put together. And then it's just a matter of putting it, it's the cooling time that takes the longest, but the actual cooking and prepping of it, 5-10 minutes max. And then you just stick it in the fridge and let it cool completely. It's so tasty it's got a bit of the pink salt on top of it, and that just goes so nicely with the carob. It makes that chocolatey, salty, sweet sort of combination that people like. I hope that you like this as much as we do. So without much more chatter, let's get cooking.
You're taking me back to the sleepless nights, phone calls and candlelights. Those were the things I liked the most. And back when we were passing notes in school, spend our summers by the pool, talking about what we'd be when we're grown. Well, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways. Yeah, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Oh. So take me back when we were younger, back when we were unafraid, starry-eyed and full of wonder. Take me back to the better days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. Taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking...
Okay everybody, we are back with a taste test of the fudge. I'm super excited about this. This turned out so much better than I anticipated. I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a little piece here. It's so shiny. This fudge is so good. Let's try it. I've already had some, obviously. Makes me happy. With the salt, it's a little bit chewy, and then it's got that lovely salt at the end of it. So good. I'll show you what. I'm gonna eat another piece. I'll show you with the bite. I don't know if you can see. So tasty. I really love this one because it's so fast to put together. It takes no time at all. You can make this one. No, this one can't. You know what? I've never tried it coconut free. You could maybe replace the coconut oil with avocado oil, but I don't know if it would change the texture. I'll have to try that for you guys and let you know. But it is so good. Give it a try. I hope that you like this one as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.
Taking me back to better days.